Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to connect Zoho Calendar to Calendly in 2024. So today, we're streamlining your scheduling experience by connecting Zoho Calendar to Calendly. This integration ensures that your Zoho Calendar stays up to date with your scheduled events from Calendly. So stick around as I guide you through this step-by-step connection or guide to connect your Zoho calendar to Calendly. So let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. First, we'll have to go and open whatever browser you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually going to use the Brave browser, and of course in your case, could be any other browser that you could possibly have. Once you open that browser, just go to this URL section. So in this video, I'll show you a third party and I'll show you the normal way. So let's start by third party, which is Zapier.com. This third party will help you not just log in. So of course you'll not find yourself in here. So it will not just help you establish a connection, but even automates things between the two of them. So let's start by, of course, logging into your account if you have one. If you don't, click on sign up to create an account. If you don't know nothing about Zapier, you can scroll down to read more information about this website. First of all, see what people saying about it, and a lot of information that will be helpful for you if you're interested to know, of course. And the pricing, here's this. You can pause the video and check it all by your own. Of course, depends on the number of tasks that you have per month. So for me, I'll just here and go and click on login on Google. You can even log in with Google, Facebook, Microsoft if you don't want to get through all the boring steps of creating or even logging into your account. You can use it. So click on continue and I will be logged in into my account and I will be on my dashboard right away. So what we'll need to do, just check off the apps in Zapier. So click on apps. We'll have to start by click on search apps here and type Zoho calendar. As you can see, it's in there. Now let's check for Calendly. If it's in there, as you can see, it's in there. So I'll be able to connect them both. So what I'll need to do, click on create in here, click on Zaps, and I can use this AI tool to do whatever you want. So I'll just type here, connect Zoho calendar to Calendly. Okay, so I type both wrong, Calendly and calendar. And yeah, so here, just go and click on generate, and they will generate the trigger for us in the action. So let's just wait 5 to 10 seconds. It will not take a lot. And as you can see, what they create for us in here through the zaps. So let's just make it bigger. As you can see, let's just click on use it. And as you can see, the trigger will be Zoho calendar, and the trigger will be event created. You can change the event, which is the trigger. Is it a calendar deleted, calendar created? If one of those events happen, what should be done on Calendly? Like we have here in events, create an events. We can do delete an event, update an event, but I guess it's not even like the right app. So let's just go and choose the right app. But as you can see here, we have no action available. So it seems like we cannot use Calendly specifically with Zoho and Zapier, so it's fine. Let's just go Zoho like calendar and do it through the normal way. So here, as you can see, just go and access Zoho calendar. Of course, you'll have to log in into your account for you if you have an account. If you don't, just go and create a new account. Now, of course, if it's your first time, you can take a tour to familiarize yourself through the dashboard that they have. As you can see, it's very good to understand. As you can see, what's Zoho calendar about if you don't know nothing about it. But if you do, just skip it. You can skip it. Of course, you can even get the app for your own if you want to. So now once you logged in into your account, you'll have to start finding the calendar integration. In Zoho calendar, you can navigate into settings. But first of all, let me just make it into the night mode. I prefer it. So settings, you'll find it right here. Exploring your settings. Of course, you can take even a tour in the calendar. For me, in the settings, I'll go basically to integrations. And as you can see, in the integrations, we have basically just Zoom. So what should you do? Of course, you can now, like, if you want, connect Zoom, but we don't want Zoom. We would like to connect Calendly. Normally, we should like find a lot of apps to connect. I don't know why it's not in there. Of course, you cannot use even disconnects if you're like saying. So here should be done is let's try here and click on synchronized. So we have just Google Calendar and CalDAV. Of course, let's just check some articles. So like how to connect Google, not Google, sorry, Zoho Calendar. Normally, I should like find it here in the integrations. I don't know why I can find just Zoom. Normally, I find it's here, but let's see. So Zoho Calendar to Calendly as an example. So integrating Calendly with Zoho Calendar and Zoho Mail. Okay, so this is just Zoho Community, like having this option. As you can see, so there's an option, but it seems like you can do it through Zoho Mail. So I just go and access the account in Zoho Mail and let's see if they have the integrations there. So go here, integrations. So yeah, normally when I click on Zoho Calendar and on integrations, I should find all those integrations, not just the Zoho meeting. But here, of course, you can go and look for Calendly as an example. Oh, it seems like there's even no results in here. I don't know why this is happening, but let me just go back in here, count the integration to Zoho Flow. It seems like you can do that just through Zoho Flow. So how to connect Calendly account to Zoho Flow? There are no other Calendly connections in your account. So click on connects, a new connection, and go get the API key. And you'll have, of course, to copy paste the API key on Calendly. So go to Calendly, log in into your account, and try to get the API key. And of course, log in. So yeah, log in with Google. That's the account that I created. I created my Calendly account with it. And yeah, and here normally you can get your API key. We can even check here integration apps and look for Zoho maybe and see if we can integrate from here, from like using Calendly from Zoho. So we can check for Zoho. And if we didn't find it, it seems like we have to use this API. So get the API key, go back here and fill this article to just connect it to Zoho Flow, not Zoho Calendar. I don't know why I will not be able to. So that's going to be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.